$1.7 billion in leverage longs wiped out yesterday. Just to put this in perspective, FTX crash was $1.2 billion. $1 billion here, a couple of $1 billion there. These days, it doesn't seem to matter anymore. I don't know what the hell is going on. No, we do know what the hell is going on. We've been trying to warn you again and again. Do not trade with leverage. Anyways, it wasn't just crypto. It was also gold is now below 5K. Silver is now below $100. I think it's below $90 now as we speak.
Yeah, yeah.
So a lot of developments happening, a lot of uncertainty. We'll be unpacking all of this with Narkundi and Crypto Daddy. This is the Bops of Crypto podcast. Let's go. Yes. Like I don't like saying I told you so, पर कभी-कभी बोलना पड़ता है. Actually हम
Nobody
काफी
likes.
बार बोल
Yeah, we
हम
have to say it multiple times. I
yeah,
told you so. We told you so. We told you so.
yeah. All right, guys. Before we begin, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Just in case you see the Narkundi indicator performing very well, just please comment and let us know. But yeah, I told you so. Yeah. तो सिर्फ गोल्ड और सिल्वर ही नहीं, मतलब कि आज तो नैस्डैक भी गिरा. फ्यूचर्स फेल एज सून एज ट्रम्प अनाउंस्ड केविन वॉर्श एज द फेड चेयर.
Yeah,
आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस सॉ दैट
yeah,
बिकॉज
yeah.
केविन वॉर्श के साथ एक सीन ये है कि ही यूज्ड टू बी ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ थिंग्स एंड नाउ जस्ट राइट नाउ ही इज विद ट्रम्प. सो
वो
उसकी
भी दल
पुरानी
बदलू नहीं
दल बदलू, पता नहीं दल बदलू है कि नहीं है, बट लाइक
होएगा ही.
मार्केट. So markets didn't take this as like, ekdam negative. They took that like thoda negative, thoda positive. Uh, the people who sort of saw this as ki he was hawkish in the past, and now he's become dovish, or was he dovish in the past or has become hawkish
He
now?
was hawkish in the past, but now it's being said that he's reimagined and a new version of him, which might be dovish because Trump is cherry picking him, and he was not the first pick. Like it was supposed to be other people. He came late into the race in terms of names.
Yeah, इससे पहले तो वो नहीं था. क्या क्या नाम था उसका, वो क्रिप्टो सेक्रेटरी जो था इनका.
क्रिप्टोजार जो है उसका वो, हाँ,
Cryptozar, wasn't he the chef picked once before? Yeah.
वो भी था. ट्रेजरी सेक्रेटरी स्कॉट बेसेंट
बेसेंट
भी
भी तो
था
था. हाँ, वो भी था.
running में.
Exactly.
So I think someone put out a post say about Kevin Walsh. I think we should check that out. Wait 1 second. Yeah. So so he is the youngest Fed governor in history during 2008 financial crisis. So हाँ, ये पहले भी Fed में था from 2008 to 2011, I think. Then he said the Fed waited too long to raise interest rates in 2022. Said the Fed lost credibility by overstimulating post-COVID. Said QE inflates asset bubbles and worsened inequality. Claims to support a rules-based Fed, not discretionary policy making. Wants a smaller Fed balance sheet and more focus on price stability. So, ये उसने कहा है in the past, but now, like, again, so he's not exactly what Trump wanted, right? Who knows?
Yeah,
But इसके बारे में एक और चीज आ रही है कि so he is married to Jane Lauder, who is
yeah,
who's the daughter of the person who Ronald Lauder, who owns Estee Lauder Group, and
yeah.
he is a personal friend of Donald Trump. So that is one of the reasons that he might have gotten picked. कि ऐसा लोग बोल रहे हैं, मैं नहीं बोल रहा, देख मैं ऐसे रूमर्स नहीं फैला रहा कि दोस्ती ये कर दिया, पर ऐसा लोग बोल रहे हैं. अब उड़ती उड़ती मुझे खबर आई है तो मैं क्या करूं तुम्हें.
नहीं, और एक ऐसी भी खबर आई है कि they basically money printing is going to stay in the certain community that is, running the money printing community. So इसलिए भी इसको लाया जा रहा है. We don't know what the truth is behind that.
Yeah. we're not cherry picking any particular information. We're just saying कि generally इसके बारे में एक ऐसी खबर है. Now, a lot of obviously the geopolitical risks are still there. जो इस हफ्ते हमने start किया था बोलने से वो अभी भी है. उसमें भी अगर एक चीज अगर मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊं, so
Is it Marian Awful Street?
no, so this
शुक्र
is
है.
Al Jazeera Qatar basically reported that Iran, China, and Russia will launch
Yep.
a joint naval exercise in the Gulf of Oman and Indian Ocean in the coming days. So ये plan
Oh,
चल रहा है. The Gulf of
Like,
Oman is right here. ठीक है, this is the Strait of Hormuz. और
yeah,
यहाँ पे
basically they are going to block oil movement during this exercise. That's the plan behind it.
और
Really?
यहाँ पे जो है ये जो तू मेरा
Ooh.
वो देख रहा है ना, क्या बोलते हैं ये देख. Now if I
I
make
don't think they'll
this,
block the strait during this exercise. They won't use the
they're
entire
not blocking
corridor.
the strait, but yeah, the thing is कि यहाँ पे एक कैरियर वो स्ट्राइक ग्रुप खड़ा हुआ है यूएस का.
Symbolic
यहाँ
presence
पे
है वहाँ पे.
यस, सिंबॉलिक प्रेजेंस है यहाँ पे. जो अभी एक लेके वो साउथ चाइना सी से लेके आया उसको इन्होंने यहाँ पे खड़ा कर दिया है. और ये पार्ट
Have
जो
you
है यहाँ पे वो करेंगे एक्सरसाइजेस.
have you seen
Yeah.
those drone videos from Israel, from Irani military Twitter pages, where they're basically sending out drone videos of the USS Lincoln? Have you seen those?
I haven't
Wow.
seen those, but this guy Mario Knopfel keeps posting all these drone कि कहाँ पे उड़ रहे हैं ड्रोन, इजरायली ड्रोन, इरानियन ड्रोन, यूएस ड्रोन
Ah,
कहाँ पे उड़ रहे हैं, क्या फ्लाइट पाथ ले रहे हैं, वो सब डालते रहता है वो. सो आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज कि वो लोग ये सब कर रहे हैं. ठीक है.
it's crazy
Another,
videos, yeah.
yeah. Benjamin Cohen, obviously, मैं आ रहा हूँ. So he also pointed out a sort of bearish pattern where stable coin dominance is going up, and
What's
whenever that,
What's BMSB?
I don't know, man. This like some lingo. BMSB. तो Reddit वाला है ना, तू जानता होगा.
हाँ मुझे पता है.
So
Brown
basically, yeah.
marmoset stink bug.
I think the D is missing.
So so stable coin dominance is going up, and what he's saying is कि जब ये होता है, obviously BTC does a pullback. अच्छा, और क्या है, PPI डेटा भी आया था and that was also negative. So यानी positive आया था and that was negative for the market. So 2.2% actual versus 3.8 core PPI तेरा 0.7% actual आया और 0.2 expected था. So that went up.
DeFi Llama पे stable coins से उतने पे ही है. I don't know, like उसके chart में क्या था? What is the figure that was showing over there?
Dude, this is stable coin dominance.
Dominant.
Oh,
Whenever
okay,
market
okay,
में
got it.
dominant stable coin जाता
Okay,
है
dry
ऊपर,
powder.
तो
Okay.
yeah,
Hmm.
ठीक है. अगेन एक कोई मजाक उड़ा रहा था बाइनेंस का कि जब भी गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर तो बाइनेंस में जब भी ऑब्वियसली आप अगर तुमने देखा होगा रिसेंट डेज पे जितनी भी लिस्टिंग हुई है वो लिस्ट करने के बाद क्रैश हुई है. तो समवन वाज
Gold
मेकिंग
and silver
फन
did the
कि
same also.
गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर डिड द सेम आल्सो आफ्टर बाइनेंस लिस्टिंग.
We made that
And
joke
yes,
3 days ago too. कि Binance ने list
yeah,
किया and gold and silver
yes.
went down.
The crypto ETFs obviously saw $1.7 billion in outflows last week. That is the largest since mid-November. So, I mean, this marks the second largest withdrawal this year. So, I mean, overall, I would say there's a little bearish news. ये हम expect कर रहे थे, but this is just to inform everyone कि अभी bearish क्या चल रहा है. अब I'll go to Narkundi, who will tell you something positive. कि what are the positive things that you're seeing?
Positive is that you can buy for a discount.
That is, you can always buy for a discount, right?
With what?
With all, at least we can buy. पर जो लोग leverage trade कर रहे हैं वो बेचारे वो तो क्या ही खरीदेंगे, जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बोला कि
कुछ नहीं ले
पर
पाएंगे. So, okay, now जो 1.8 billion wipeout हुआ है उसमें से 780 million was for BTC, ETH का भी काफ़ी था around 400, Solana ये सब मिला के हो गए 1.8. The good news that's coming out of it is that the whales were waiting for the price to crash, and they have accumulated. So in this same time period, what's happened is 34,000 BTC has been acquired by people who have between 10 to 10,000 BTC, which means that weak hands retail has again sold off and they have bought in. It also ties into your point about Benjamin Cohen ki stable coins ka dominance बढ़ते जा रहा है. Now, if we think about it, what's happened is a couple of things. So there's the geopolitics angle, war ka, that we've discussed. Metals पे, precious metals पे भी 10% drop हो रहा है. Now, because of that, CME Group increased the margin requirements from 9% to almost 12%. And CME pay, there's no like 2x and all, like the average is 10 to 50x. So for people to cover that margin, they had to pull out from somewhere. So that also means that in between all this geopolitics issue, in between lower Nasdaq earnings, वहाँ से लोग को capital निकालना पड़ा है from other assets and put it into commodities, put it into precious metals, जिसका अभी season चल रहा है. So people are more likely to remove capital from BTC and etc. Now, at the same time, 34,000 BTC has been acquired. The BTC ka, again, it's gone down because it's Nasdaq से correlation बढ़ते जा रहा है, and it has 0.82 correlation, which means one is like ideal correlation. So they both move in the same direction at the same pace. But right now, BTC and Nasdaq has a 2.4x. So if Nasdaq moves up by 1%, BTC moves up by 2.4%. So BTC पे काफ़ी pressure है because Nasdaq में SaaS stocks are down, Nasdaq में Microsoft stocks is down. So there's pressure from that side, there's geopolitics side, Fed का भी चल रहा है, whether it's independent or not, and क्या होने वाला है, and interest rate cuts. ये सब की वजह से it's gone down. But the only positive news is that the whales have acquired. So so 34,000 BTC has been acquired by whales, and from exchanges, 20,000 BTC has been removed and gone to cold wallets. So that is the good news. And I think if this happens, then we should see a pullback soon.
Wow. Okay, this is just in, and I want to share this 1 second. So
क्या और crash हो गया क्या while I was saying?
Yeah. I'm sorry, bro. तू नरकुंडी है.
Oof.
So this is just in. Silver crashes below
Another?
$80. Yeah, just in. Below
Wow.
$80, falling over 30% in one day. And
CME वाले उड़ गए.
that is worse than a shitcoin, bro. So that is कितना percent swing हो गया from 120 to 80. That is what. That's
So 30%,
33%.
That's a 33% move. I mean,
Yeah.
that's an alt shitcoin move. Like 33% to altcoins भी इतने नहीं करते. That it's crazy. इतना wild swing.
So
But
there's
yeah,
no
wild
safety, right?
swing, bro, you have to understand. I'll come to this whole conversation regarding what Narkundi also said. But go ahead, continue. I'll tell you about this.
नहीं, please, dude, go ahead.
I was just saying. So एक दो चीजें, पहले तो ये जो गुड न्यूज नरकुंडी इतने अच्छे से बता रहा है मैं कि गुड न्यूज ये है कि बीटीसी खरीद लिया है बहुत सारे लोगों ने. ब्रो, एवरी टाइम बीटीसी टेक्स अ हिट, देयर आर वेव्स दैट आर बाइंग बीटीसी. ये 20,000 24,000 बीटीसी बाय आउट जो है ना, these are very common buyouts that happen every time BTC takes a hit. It doesn't mean that there is a good news. This basically means that those whales, they have those buy orders. उनके जो है वो 80 से लेके 60 तक buy orders लगे हुए हैं. Every time BTC falls, they keep accumulating, they keep DCAing because they are not leverage trading. उनका तो वो है कि वो खरीदते रहते हैं and they are playing the very long game, right?
Yeah, but this
Also,
is an accumulation zone, right? कि ये जो तेरा पूरा है इसके नहीं, अब जो 80 के आसपास से आ गया है, this is all accumulation zone. मतलब हम भी
exactly
बात
my
ही
point.
कर रहे थे. हाँ.
नहीं, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि this is an accumulation zone. ऐसा नहीं है कि they were waiting for this price to go down and they will buy. These are price orders that have already been placed in for quite a while. They were waiting for these prices to hit ताकि वो पैसा the BTC bought out. This if you go back to the October 10th crash, you will see that whales accumulated BTC at that point in time also. If you see last year, the year before that December crash, whales accumulated BTC at that point in time also, right? So you'll see whales accumulating BTC every time it goes down. Yes, it's great news, they keep accumulating, but these are also the guys who, when BTC moves up, sort of push the price down. Similarly to what is happening in silver right now. आज मैं कल एक बंदे के साथ बैठा हुआ यही डिस्कस करते हैं, and I think we were also discussing it online also, that the euphoria is in silver right now, right? And I always say this, when you start hearing about an investment opportunity from every angle, right? Like every Tom, Dick and Harry is saying कि यार इसमें तो पैसा डालना चाहिए, ये तो ऊपर जाएगा. When you start hearing this, you're already too late, right?
Obviously,
Now
yeah.
when you're entering into a trade like that, you are becoming the exit liquidity. Silver is a commodity जिसके जो actual buyers, जो investors हैं, जो loyal investors हैं, they've been holding silver since like $17, $18, $20, all the way to $30, right? At $120, those guys have 5x their money. You think,
$100. I think $100 was the target, and people
right?
started leaving after $100. ये
Right.
लास्ट का जो
And
$120 है वो यूफोरिया का $20 गया ऊपर.
this is your fault, exactly. And उसके बाद ऊपर जो CME पे हाई लेवरेज ट्रेडर्स बैठे हुए हैं जो लॉन्ग कर रहे थे सिल्वर और गोल्ड को, कि बस यहाँ से तो अब जो है ना वो फटने वाली है मार्केट. तुम्हारे रिटेल पे भी बंदे ऐसे ही दिमाग लेके बैठे हुए. And this is exactly what happened. See, everybody who came in now became an exit liquidity and are still exit liquidity for silver right now. आज भी वो जो जिसने 20 पे खरीदा हुआ है, वो अगर आज 80 पे भी बेच रहा है, तो he still 4x on his investment. So this is what I always say, that those whales, they are always accumulating when the prices are going down, and that is exactly when you're supposed to buy. Today,
Yeah.
आज BTC 80, last night BTC was $81,000, right? That's the wick it touched. If you remember, couple of weeks ago we said कि मेरे हिसाब से 83 82 तक तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, and I said कि I will invest, or I will start putting money in when BTC crosses below 82, right? That was my stance. And yesterday that is exactly what happened कि मेरी कुछ positions ऐसी थी जो below 82 के नीचे लगी हुई थी, and they got filled in, right now. I'm not saying that they are in positive or they're making money, but that's my accumulation point. That's where I start accumulating, and as it goes down, I will keep accumulating my positions, right? I will keep adding more positions into ETH, into XRP, into other tokens that I'm actually wanting to invest, and my investment is going to go all the way down till 70, right? I'm going to keep accumulating as it moves further down, but this is an accumulation starting point. That is true. So again, when we are saying that the whole market is having a little bearish sentiment, we've been saying, or at least I am saying, that we are in a bear since almost last month. Okay, why we are sitting in a bear market, we are actually going to see a lot more further. And I still think that there is room for
Alts में तो we've been in a bear market since 3 years now. So
yeah, that's exactly. And I think BTC पे we'll see a little more downside. Again, वही हमारी मेरी और तेरी bet ETH वाली, right? On the 2200, that is still valid. I mean, we'll see कि किधर जाता है.
Yeah, यानी you said कि विक कहीं पे होगी तो विक नहीं गिनेंगे, right? Like wick is you have to full body candle होनी चाहिए.
Let's count that also.
Yeah. मैं तो अभी भी 22 देख ले यार. Like I'm telling you कि BTC now at what 81 82k, ETH is still at 2700. नहीं तो अभी तक तो ETH चले गया होता अगर
I hope you're right. I mean, personally, I hope you're right.
Yeah. Confidence तो लगा दे आंख बंद करके 10x में तो बोल रहा हूँ देखो, don't worry.
मेरा तो 26 से लेके 18 तक जो है ना वो positions लगे हुए हैं. I am pretty well spread out, so I don't care about that.
Narkundi.
Okay. Off topic, but अभी आकम ने wallet scam किया.
Okay.
आकम ने अभी post किया Kevin Walsh का wallet. He holds 750k in BTC and ETH.
Of course.
Bullish. पूरा analysis छोड़ो ये सब. Fed chair के पास है.
So everyone in the government, including the Fed chair, including the president, including all of his cabinet members, all the क्या बोलते हैं, these guys businessmen close to him all hold BTC ETH, तो उनको भगाना तो है, इनको एग्जिट कराना है कि नहीं?
इनको सिर्फ एग्जिट ही कराना. I think also they want them to accumulate more, which is why BTC keeps crashing over and over again. I mean, every time BTC crashes, I don't know. I think it's a good thing to track these guys' wallets and see every time it crashes, उसके बाद कितनी accumulation इनके पास होती है.
या जो नैन्सी पेलोसी का ट्रैकर था वो अब इन सब का चालू हो जाएगा,
इन
क्रिप्टो
सब का
ट्रैकर.
चालू होना चाहिए. Exactly. But I think they are not going to do it under their names. ये भी मसला होगा because they know it's too out there. Everything can be tracked very easily. So
ट्रम्प फैमिली वॉलेट्स आर तो ऑल बीइंग ट्रैक्ड, जो वर्ल्ड लिबर्टी फाइनेंशियल
लिबर्टी फाइनेंशियल का है टैग्ड ऑलरेडी आर्कम पे.
तो काफी लोगों के टैग्ड हैं, तो उनको तो ट्रैक कर ही रहे हैं. बट द रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल एंड इवन लाइक ऑन पॉली मार्केट, राइट, अभी क्या चल रहा है कि एक दिन पहले आप बेट ले लो, अगले घंटों पहले बेट ले लो, और फिर आपको प्रेसिडेंट ने अनाउंस कर दिया कि कुछ हो गया, और फिर उसमें आपने पैसे बना लिए. आई मीन दैट इज आल्सो हैपनिंग, राइट, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस इज अनरेगुलेटेड टिल द क्रिप्टो मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर बिल पासेस. एंड उसमें भी आई डोंट नो कि इफ प्रेडिक्शन मार्केट्स आर कवर्ड और नॉट. So
I think they're gonna remove cover करेंगे भी, तो I think उसमें से वही politics हटा देंगे उसमें से, like they did it in Europe. तो वही चीज I think इधर भी implement करेंगे ये लोग, कि politics उसमें से हटा देंगे ताकि insider tradings ना हो उसमें.
Got it. I mean, these guys, public officials should be just banned from trading, man. Like just खत्म ही कर दो इनको. हाँ.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Yeah, banned from trading, right? You buy into funds, like कोई म्यूचुअल फंड या बॉन्ड्स या ऐसे कुछ में. व्हाई ट्रेड? उसमें कहाँ पैसे? पैसे कमाने के लिए थोड़ी पब्लिक ऑफिशियल बने, आप तो देश की सेवा.
पब्लिक सर्वेंट पैसे बनाने के लिए थोड़ी बना था भाई.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? पैसे बनाने के लिए पब्लिक ऑफिशियल नहीं बने. ओके.
Obviously Trump made $1.4 billion while he was president, but I mean that is just like a side effect of being president, right? Yeah.
I mean, president नहीं बनाएगा तो और कौन बनाएगा? वो भी one of the biggest democracy in the world. अगर उसका president नहीं बनाएगा तो और कौन बनाएगा?
Yeah. And अब नरकुंडी बस मुझे बताया था कि अब हम आज खत्म करके वीकेंड पे is very excited to watch the Melania documentary. So
yeah, जिस पे ट्रम्प ने बोला it's an amazing movie, we're all going to watch it.
Mandatory viewing in schools.
तो और भी काफी चीजें आई हैं, मतलब कि DOJ has just released like a bunch of Epstein documents as well. So ये weekend भी, I'm just want to say कि everyone just please, if you are into any leverage trades, I think you should just close it and don't do it. It's going to be volatile because weekend ये भी हो सकता है कि weekend पे कभी-कभी you know वो कुछ करते हैं ये लोग. Any kind of, जैसे वेनेजुएला पे था, that was a weekend. Now they've become smart कि वीकडे पे करेंगे तो मार्केट्स रिएक्ट करेंगी, वीकेंड पे करते हैं ताकि तब तक मंडे मॉर्निंग तक जब तक खुले तो सब हजम कर ले मार्केट्स. So again, if the Iran thing has to happen, it will happen on a weekend.
Especially now that they are actually in a joint training exercise with their own ships there. I mean, anything could happen.
Yeah. So about $10 billion was wiped out from gold and silver in just 24 hours. Sorry, 10 trillion market cap. 10 trillion wiped out from gold and silver in just 24 hours. That is three times more.
This is the crypto degen effect. You tell them to trade commodity and this is what happens.
Yeah. That is 3 times more than the entire crypto market cap.
Damn.
Combined GDP of India plus Japan. Roughly 1/4 of all US public debt.
Now this money that is wiped out, the money has gone somewhere else, right? That money will rotate. So light at the end of the tunnel, there you have $3 trillion that might, उसमें से अगर तुम 10% भी crypto में ले आओ, that's a good amount of money to push the market up.
Well, that's not money, that's just the market cap, right? कि actual amounts कितने liquidate है वो पता नहीं, but that is the market cap. And people are talking about it, like they're not happy. So
of course
they won't be happy.
Yeah.
पहले था कि गोल्ड 5,000 हो गया, अब like अब 8,000 जाएगा, अब ये जाएगा, ये वो जाएगा.
Bro, these are psychological numbers. $5,000, $100. These are psychological numbers. This is where majority people exit.
Yeah. Also, because now Japanese bond yields have sort of now stabilized, जो इतना ऊपर जा रही थी अब थोड़ा बीच में क्या बोलते हैं, ये थोड़ा स्टेबिलिटी आई तो अब जाके थोड़ा प्लेटू हुई है, बट उनका अभी भी देयर इज अ चांस दैट दे माइट गो मोर अप. And one of the things is that Japanese holdings of US bonds and stocks has reached about 342 trillion yen or 2.2 trillion dollars. And then that was
Wow.
at the end of 2024. तो इस साल का तो अभी पता ही नहीं है. So just in case that sort of unwinds and bonds पे उनको अच्छे पैसे मिल रहे होंगे, the government will want all these investors to get the money into Japan. And when that happens, these guys are going to sell bonds. So US bonds prices are also going to go up. And the
Yeah,
world is not buying US bonds, right? So they
yeah,
have to get their own investors, their own people to buy. So
Mm-hmm.
that might
yeah,
also one more thing happen that one more thing that might happen was कि banks जो हैं वो उनको भी बोले कर आप खरीद के रखो, you will have all these stable coin issuers उनको भी बोलेंगे, प्लस ये जो
Mm-hmm.
बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स हैं जो सारे बिलियनर्स हैं उनको भी खींचेंगे कि नहीं तुम भी करो, because Trump does that all of that, right?
yeah. And
that
उसके
is
पीछे
that
कोई
is
ना कोई heavy motivation रखेंगे उनकी कि इसलिए करो.
yeah. So again, that is also like sort of a headwind for the markets.
Yeah, I
All
mean,
right.
it's not all bad news. I mean, there is a light at the end of this tunnel.
No, it is obviously the light at the end of the tunnel is key. Your president, Fed chair, all your cabinet members in the US are holding these assets and they would want it to run at some point. So keep accumulating. Matlab, that is the best thing. See, capital rotation, up you cannot just as you cannot time tops and bottoms, you cannot also time capital rotation. कि एक बार जब रोटेशन होना स्टार्ट करेगा तब तक तो मार्केट भग लेगी, तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि हाँ
Mm.
अब ओ इसमें रोटेशन हो गया है. And this is the
Hmm.
only asset class which is like sitting at like really discounted rates right now, and this is the
Yeah,
time to accumulate. So you keep buying daily, keep accumulating spot, and करते करते आप अपनी बुक बढ़ाते जाओ, एक दिन ये सब भग लेगा, then that day you will be like in profit.
exactly.
And investing is a long term game, जैसे कि नरकुंडी करता है. So like
Mm-hmm.
50 साल में वेल्थ बनाओ, एक साल में बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो जो वो कुछ बन ही नहीं रहा, क्यों?
छलांगे नहीं
That
मारो.
is very true. That is very true.
Yeah, but because Narkundi is so bullish on long term wealth building, right? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अपने को सब 100x लॉन्ग लगा के आज ही बनाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए.
There are no
Because that is
shortcuts, bhai.
मैं तो I am one of those guys जो keep their who travels in both the boats. So I am playing long term also, and I do those very extremely risky trades. Like so I do everything.
अभी extremely risky trades. So extremely risky trades are good. Like I can't do extremely risky trades in a bearish market, right? Not it is much better to have a risky move in like an up market. Bullish
अगर
market
रेंज
में
ट्रेडिंग पे तो नहीं
See,
चल रहा है ना.
see, when you're taking risky trades on bear market, so when I'm doing that, what do I do? So like if you guys have been listening to me for the last couple of weeks, I've been saying that BTC is going to go down, BTC is going to go down, BTC is going to go down. Constantly, every video I've said that, right? So when BTC was at 92, 93K, I did open risky leverage trades on short positions, right? Because I knew that this is going to happen. Now the reason why I say risky is because at one point BTC was almost touching 98, and there was a chance that if it does break 98, everybody was in that euphoric zone ke वापस BTC भाग जाएगा, which is why that trade was risky. But those are the sort of risks that if you have the ability, if you have the capability, if you have the capital to afford it, I take it. That's how it is.
no, it's not about having the capital or the ability to take it. It's the thing is it's also the constant checking and the headache. Okay, once you if you're trading leverage, that is all you have to do, right? Morning, evening, night. You can't just
That
switch
I
off your
agree.
phone and say, okay, I'm going on a 2-day holiday. You
Bro, I
constantly
say an everyday user should not do leverage trade at all, because as for leverage trading, you have to do nothing but trade. सुबह 8 बजे उठो, रात को 12 बजे उठो, दोपहर को 3 बजे उठो. That you trade is 24/7, right? Leverage trade can't
Yeah.
be. I mean, you can put safety measures. You can hedge your trades. You can put stop losses. You can do all those safety measures. But if you really want to make money, you have to be 24/7 online, right? There's no other way out.
Yeah. So
So
I mean,
don't leverage trade if you are not if you're working a 9 to 5. Don't get into leverage trade.
no, one of the again, the thing is that majority of the people who have lost money in this markets, who are now crying, jo bhi hai, they the only thing they have done in the crypto industry is just did some have take some leverage trades and then lost all their money. Majority of the people. मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि
Yeah,
अगर आपको इसमें पैसे बनाने ट्रेड्स में या कुछ भी करके यू हैव टू बी इन दिस इंडस्ट्री एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग इन इट, कि अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं क्रिप्टो तो आगे ऊपर जाएगा तो आगे क्रिप्टो में काम करो, यू नो, ऐड सम वैल्यू एंड
yeah, that's
यू
true. That's
नो
true.
विटालिक ने भी यही बोला, राइट, कि द मोर पीपल जस्ट कीप स्पेक्यूलेटिंग, दिस होल इंडस्ट्री इज इन डेंजर. यू हैव टू
Yeah, yeah,
बिल्ड समथिंग कंस्ट्रक्टिव एंड आज की डेट में वही
Sir,
लोग हैं जो फर्स्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ यू नो अर्ली अडॉप्टर्स थे और उन्होंने आके ये सारी चेंज बनाई. तो देख आज की डेट में सारे वही प्रोटोकॉल सरवाइव किए हैं. तेरे जो छोटे वाले
yeah. The
प्रोजेक्ट्स
Dino
थे जो,
protocols are surviving. Yes.
yes, who took the
true.
time when there was no money, they took the time and effort to build something, you know, those are the people who are still there, still surviving, who have a long term plan, who are still getting adoption. Majority 90% of the people who just came in like the gold rush और आके हम कुछ कर देते हैं, वो सब तो die out हो गए.
Fade out eventually.
Yeah, ठीक है. All right, if you guys have to add anything.
Nothing from my end. I've written my 2 cents. Be careful.
All
Like
right.
I always say, be
Watch
careful.
out,
Stay
guys.
safe.
Watch out.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you on Monday. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave some comments. And happy weekend, guys.
Chalo, bye.
Enjoy, guys. Bye bye.